Today we're at Dream Machines of Texas to install a Pathfinder LED headlamp assembly onto this 2016 Harley Davitson V-Rod. The Pathfinder LED has a clean, modern look. It outperforms the stock unit and the competition. It's available in both chrome or black finishes. Is completely plug and play. It actually installs in minutes. You're going to see better down the road, you're going to increase your visibility to oncoming traffic, and there's less draw on your battery. It's always a good idea to disconnect your motorcycle battery before continuing with any electrical work. The factory headlight assembly is held in place with two 3/16 Allen bolts. You can remove these using a 3/16 Allen wrench. Make sure to hold your hand underneath the headlight bucket as you remove the screws. And the bucket can be removed by pushing it back and down. The headlight bulbs are removed by turning 1/4 of a turn to the left and then pulling out. You remove the bulbs from the socket by pressing in on the two tabs at the back of the socket. Your Pathfinder LED headlamp assembly comes with two chrome mounting screws. Go ahead and remove these screws before proceeding. In your kit, you'll find two harness extensions. Go ahead and install these into the factory sockets. Make sure the black wire on each extension lines up with the black wire on the factory harness. The wires coming from the back of the Pathfinder LED, you'll find the low beam on the left-hand side and the high beam on the right. Go ahead and connect these to the appropriate connectors on your V-Rod. Make sure again that the black wires line up with the harness. Use the two chrome screws that come with the Pathfinder LED system to install the headlight assembly on your motorcycle. Make sure to adjust the headlight angle according to factory specifications.